In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with Monday.com. 2025, step by step. If you want to send SMS updates or trigger calls right from your Monday.com boards, the Twilio integration makes that possible. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Monday.com account and that you have permission to install apps in your workspace. Being an admin or having app installation rights will save you time. Start by heading to monday.com and click Go to My Account to open your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the upper right area of the screen. Open the main menu there, then choose Marketplace. This is where you can find and add certified apps to extend your board's capabilities. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Twilio. You should see the official Twilio app appear in the results. Click the Twilio listing to open its page. Take a moment to read the overview so you understand what the app can do and review any permissions it requests. When you're ready to proceed, click Use App. You'll be asked where you want this app to live. Select the main workspace where you plan to use Twilio. If you're unsure, pick the workspace your team uses for day-to-day communication or project tracking. Remember, a workspace is the container, while boards are the individual tables where your items and columns live. Next, choose the specific board you want Twilio to work with. Pick a board that includes the data Twilio needs, typically a column for phone numbers and any status or text fields you'll reference in messages. If you maintain multiple client or lead boards, start with one board to test the setup, then repeat the process for others as needed. After selecting the board, click Add App to finalize the installation. Monday.com will add the Twilio app to your chosen board. Depending on your plan and the app's configuration, you may see a board view, integration recipes, or prompts to connect your Twilio account. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Twilio securely within Monday.com. Keep your account credentials private and only enter them in official, trusted prompts. From here, you can locate the integration settings on your board to create rules such as sending an SMS when a status changes. If you don't see the Marketplace option or can't add the app, check your permissions with your workspace admin, ensure pop-ups are allowed, and confirm your plan supports app integrations. That's it. Your Twilio integration is now added to Monday.com and ready for configuration on your chosen board.